Alright, so let's look at this question. This is a pretty straightforward question, but I think it's tricky for all the kids because of this S, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So it says California honey, and honey, right, made from avocado blossoms, which are sometimes called butter blossoms, have a rich buttery flavor. So you have to always find what? Always, not even just for the reading, always for every single type of question. I guess even in math, right? Find the subject and then find the verb. Okay? So what is the subject? California honey, right? Honey is the subject, made from avocado blossoms. It's just simply modifying this California honey, right? They're telling you more information about this honey, right? Yes, I know California is also describing honey, but this is a modifier, right? Honey made from avocado blossoms, which are sometimes called butter blossoms, right? So this which is referring to this which relative clause over here, or relative phrase, which are sometimes called butter blossoms, is referring to what? The avocado blossom. So this is this, basically, right? So we could cut out this information over here, cut out the which clause, right? We don't need that. So the subject is what? Honey, which is singular, and then have. Honey have a rich butter flavor, right? That's wrong. And you may be confused, so the answer to this question is D. You may be confused with this question because it looks exactly the same, except it's not. It's not exactly the same, right? SATs have a habit of reusing exact same sentence structures, right? So the questions that we modeled off are very similar, right? Let's read this one. See if you can notice the difference, right? I'll use a different color pen. It says California honey made from avocado blossoms. So this is all the same, right? Which are, and that are matches, the blossoms. Sometimes called butter blossoms, right? Honey is singular, right? Honey has a rich buttery flavor. That's why there's no error in this question, because this verb changed, right? Verb changed to match the corresponding subject, right? So you should really be careful with this. In the Blitz learning system, you're going to run into questions like, you swear the answer to this question was B before, but it's not anymore, right? We purposely did that because SAT really reuses stuff, right? And they change little bits here and there and change the question. That's why it really tricks students, so you should really be careful, okay?